Are you ready to boost your confidence, get people to like you, and live a more productive life? In this video, we're revealing 10 psychology hacks that will change the way you think, act, and connect with others. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Use the power of silence in conversations. Here's a simple trick. Use the power of silence. When you ask someone a question and they hesitate to answer, stay silent for a few seconds. It may feel awkward, but guess what? Most people will fill that silence by revealing more than they intended. It's a powerful tool for getting information and building rapport. Hack number 2. Next up, mirroring body language. Ever notice how you naturally feel more connected to people who move and act like you? It's because we subconsciously mirror each other's movements, and it builds trust. Try it. Just subtly copy the gestures, posture, or tone of the person you're talking to, and you'll notice stronger connections. Hack number 3. Nodding while talking encourages agreement. Ever been in a conversation where you want someone to agree with you? Try nodding while you talk. Research shows that nodding encourages others to agree with you because it signals affirmation and confidence. It's a simple but powerful way to get others on your side. Hack number 4. Pause before answering difficult questions. Feeling nervous when asked a tough question? Try pausing before you answer. A few seconds of silence gives the impression that you're thinking deeply, making your response sound more thoughtful and confident. It also gives you time to gather your thoughts and give a more composed reply. Hack number 5. Remember names to build stronger connections. Here's a simple but effective one. Remember names. People love hearing their own names. When you meet someone new, repeat their name in conversation. It helps build an immediate connection and makes you more memorable. Hack number 6. Reframe negative thoughts for a positive mindset. Next, let's talk about your mindset. Instead of thinking, I have to do this, try reframing it to, I get to do this. This small shift changes how you approach tasks and challenges. It turns them from obligations into opportunities, giving you a more positive outlook and increasing your motivation. Hack number 7. The 2-minute rule to overcome procrastination. Here's a productivity hack. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. This prevents small tasks from piling up and helps you stay productive throughout the day. You'll be amazed at how much you can get done. Hack number 8. Instant authority. Want to sound more authoritative? Lower your voice just a bit when speaking. A calm, deeper tone signals confidence and control, making people take your words more seriously. Give it a try the next time you're in an important conversation or meeting. Hack number 9. Assume people like you for better social interactions. Here's a social hack. Assume people like you. It's easy to feel nervous in social situations. But instead of worrying about being judged, assume that people are interested in getting to know you. This mindset shift will help you feel more confident and open, and others will naturally be drawn to your positive energy. And finally, hack number 10 is smile to boost your mood. If you're feeling down, smile even if you don't feel like. Its studies show that the simple act of smiling can trick your brain into feeling happier, boosting your mood in no time. So go ahead, put on a smile, and watch your day improve. Now that you know these 10 psychology hacks, it's time to put them into action. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more life-changing